There are certain signs if you see on your breast you should not ignore. But before I mention those signs, even if you feel anything unusual outside these signs I'm going to mention, don't ignore any changes on your breast, no matter how little it seems. And also, it's very important as a woman to know your body very well, that if there's a change, you should be able to tell early. One of the signs you shouldn't ignore on your breast is the size. Usually, one breast is actually bigger than the other, but it's not so obvious. You need to take a deep look before you see which is bigger than the other. The next thing is pain. Pain on any part of your breast is a sign you should not ignore. The next thing is scratching. If your breast is always itching and you are scratching, is a sign that you should not ignore. And the next thing also is warmth. Your breast is not supposed to feel warm when it touch. If you touch your breast and you feel that it's warm, is a sign you should not ignore. The next thing is thickening. If there's any hardness on any part of your breast, is a sign you should not ignore, because the breast is supposed to feel soft. Then the next thing is discharge. If you are having any discharge on your breast, except when you are breastfeeding that you'll be discharging breast milk. If you are not breastfeeding and you are having discharges from your breast, is a sign you should not ignore. Then pain or a discoloration. If you are having any sort of discoloration on your breast, no matter the size, as far as that skin is not the same as the other skin on your breast, please don't ignore that sign. No matter how little that discoloration might seem, please don't ignore. If you feel anything outside all these signs that I've mentioned, make sure to report. Never ignore any sign on your breast, because your breast is part of your femininity. It might be trying to say something that is happening inside of you. And also, it's very important every month to do a self breast examination, especially after your period. You do that every month in order to get your breast checked. If you don't know how to do self breast examination, you can comment so that I'll make a video to show you how to do a proper self breast examination.